So in this Notes app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link notes together on the Notes app. So for example, I have this wonderful note called dog and I have this wonderful note called Notes tutorial. If I wanted to link Notes tutorial, something in here to dog, it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and type in dog link just like this. I'm going to go ahead, it can be whatever you want, highlight it, press the arrow, and then in the middle press add link. Where it says link to, type in the name of the other link. So if I wanted to go ahead and type in the dog page right here, it'll then show that it's linking to the dog. We'll go ahead and press the check mark right here. It'll underline, so this time if I were to go ahead and press on it, it'll then bring me to this page right here, also known as the other note that I connected to this note. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I hope this video helps.